Hi everyone! Welcome back! Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. These are some things that you haven't thought about before, especially how they affect your hair health. But they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Did you know that jet skiing can actually be good for your health? Jet skiing is an excellent way to get your heart pumping and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Jet skiing requires the use of many different muscles, which means that it can help you build strength and muscle mass. Because jet skiing requires you to constantly adjust your position, it can help improve your balance and coordination. If you are looking for a new activity to try, consider jet skiing. Playing rummy can have numerous benefits for your health. Not only can it be a fun way to spend some time, but playing cards can also help improve your cognitive skills and memory. Additionally, research has shown that playing games like rummy can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. So if you're looking for a fun and healthy activity, consider picking up a deck of cards and giving rummy a try. According to research, listening to the sound of rainfall can help you sleep better and improve your overall health. The sound of rain can help to relax your mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. And finally, the sound of rain can help to lower your heart rate and blood pressure, both of which can contribute to a better night's sleep. The winter can be a tough time for numerous people. The cold weather and shorter days can make it difficult to get out and about, and this can have a negative impact on our health. But did you know that spending some time appreciating the winter can indeed be good for your health? With the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it can be difficult to get a good night's sleep. But in the course of the winter, the shorter days and longer nights make it the perfect time to catch up on some much-needed rest.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.